Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I am going to explain you how to create basic search form without using VBA codes. So actually this is very easy. So by following this method you can add your own search form for your database. Before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. So let's go to the video. So this is my sample database. So this sample database contains one table and one form. So a table contains contact details and it has exactly 500 records. Then using this table contact details, I am going to show you the way to create search form. Simple search form. So in this case, what should I do first? I want to create a form. To create a form, just click on the create tab, then select blank form. Then I want to save my new form. My form name is frmSearch. Right, this is my form. Then I want to go to design view, right click and choose design view. Then here I'd like to add form header. Then go to design tab, then add a label. So there I want to give a name for my search form. Right, now in this case I want to add the text box for the detail section of my form. Then again click on the design tab, then select text box and draw a text box like this. Now the label, I want to change the label of my newly added text box to search, search records. Okay, right, now I want to increase the font size. I want to change the name of my text box to txtFName. txtFName. Therefore I named my newly added text box to txtFName. Right, it's now the save your work. Now I created a search form and I added a text box to search records. So then the next step is to create a query. So I want to create a query. To create a query, click on the create tab, then select query design, then there select your data table. So here I want to add following columns: ID, first name, last name, and the SA country. So these are the columns I want to add. Then save your query. So my query name is QRY search. Then press OK. So this is my query. So my first method is to search records search exact record. So how to search exact record from my query? So to search exact name, what should I do? So this is the formula you need to add. Then right click and select design view. There under the fname column of your query, there is a option called criteria. So here I am going to type my formula. So what is my formula? Form exclamation mark. After that select your search form so my search form name is frmSearch, then exclamation mark, then after that you need to select the text box. So my text box name is txtFName. So that's all. Now save. Now I want to add a command button. So when I press command button, my query should open. So to add a command button, click on the design view and click on the command button, click on the button and draw your button like this. Then from the pop-up menu or command button wizard, select miscellaneous. There you need to select run query. Click next, then select this option, text option, next, then finish. Now here I am going to search exact record. Therefore let's test our work. Go to the form design view and type exact name. Here I am going to type James. Then you need to run your query. You see the exact name search. So my report is there. So I gave exact name. So I got the result. Now let's try another one. Then click on the run query. Yes, you can see. That is how to add search function to search exact record. So then the second option is wildcard search. So how to add a wildcard search? To add a wildcard search, again click on the design view of your query and delete the first function. So this is one method of adding a wildcard search. Then equal like open square brackets forms, then again a frmSearch exclamation, then the text box name. So after that you need to add and mark, then open inverted commas and type asterisk mark, then again close the inverted comma. So that's all. Now save the work and run the query. Now let's see how this wildcard search method 1 works. So here I am going to give a name called, just say James, just say J, then click on the run query. So what's happened in this method, the wildcard search first method, it searches all the names starts with letter J. All the names starts with letter J. So that is one method of adding wildcard. So what is the second method? Second method also very easy. And again go to design view, then select a formula, right click and click on the zoom. So here in this method what you should do is you just need to add only this part. Open inverted commas, then asterisk, close inverted commas, then and mark. That's all. Then press OK. Then save the work and run. So let's see what happens. So here I am going to add letter S and press enter, then run query and refresh. So in this case you can see it shows all the records with letter S. Thank you very much.